Students, you are welcome in complex numbers and quadratic equations part 6. Now today we will discuss the solution of quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, we know the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now to solve, we will use this formula we have done in previous class, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root upon 2a. Now this b square minus 4ac, it can be negative now. In the previous class it was only positive. So if it is negative, then this will be a complex number, and we have learned the square root of complex number in the previous part, so that can be used in this part now. So you can consider an example. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. So you compare this quadratic with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and value of a1, you can, after comparing b and c both, that is equal to 1. So using this formula, you calculate x, you put the values minus 1. After calculation, it will be minus 3 under root. Now this is imaginary value, so write in the form of iota. So root 3 iota. So it means values of x now minus 1 upon 2 plus minus root 3 upon 2 iota. So these are the required values of x. I hope it is clear. Now you consider another question. It is question number 4 of exercise 5.4 NCERT. Solve the equation minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Compare it with the standard equation. Find values of a, b, c, a minus 1, b 1 and c minus 2. You put these values in this formula to calculate x. Value of x, it is, after calculation, it will be minus 7 under root. Now this is imaginary, so you consider, write in the form of iota. So it will be root 7 iota. So value of x will be in the form of iota. So this is a complex number. We know the values of x. So write two different values. This is the required solution. I hope it is clear to you. Then you consider another example. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus root 3x plus iota is equal to 0. Now these the coefficients of x square or the values of abc can be imaginary or complex numbers now. So you compare with the standard equation and find abc. So a is 1, b root 3 and c iota. You put values here in this formula. We will have this value minus root 3 plus minus 3 minus 4 iota under the root upon 2. Now to find the value of x, we have to find square root of this complex number 3 minus 4 iota. So you solve under root 3 minus 4 iota. So we have done the solution or finding the square root in the previous part. So let under root 3 minus 4 iota is a minus iota b. Then squaring both sides to find values of a and b, it is a square minus b square minus 2ab iota. Comparing real and imaginary parts, find values of a minus a square minus b square. Now using this formula, we will find values of a square plus b square. It is 5. So you solve these two equations. This is first equation and this is second equation. You solve these two equations. So it will be 2a square is equal to 8. Value of a square is plus minus 2. Putting this value in any one of these two equations, this is b square 1 or b is plus minus 1. You put values of a and b in this to find the square root. So 3 minus 4 iota under root, that will be plus minus 2 minus iota. If you multiply, plus minus 2 minus plus iota. Now we will replace this value, replace this by this value in this original value of x. So it will be x is equal to minus root 3 plus minus 2 minus iota. So by calculation, first taking positive sign, then negative sign, so we'll get two different values of x that can be calculated. So I hope it is clear to you. Now you solve these questions solve the following quadratic equations, and we'll discuss the problems in the live session. Thank you.